Hello, I wanted to do another quick video for you guys, and just it's a continuation from my morning routine video. So this is what my hair looks like when I kind of like take my brush and just make some little side swoops with Eco Styler when I can get ready to go out. This is how I style it in the front. So I'm using that on my sides, of course, typical Eco Styler, but this is the Cantu I was telling you guys about earlier. The Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner. Repair Cream. This is what I put on my hair. My hair loves this stuff. And then I have this Strengthen Restore. This is my daughter's. I use some of it sometimes. But Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner with Shea Butter, Peppermint, and Apple Cider Vinegar. Natural, chemically processed, or heat styled hair. You can use this on. This is my daughter. She ordered a bunch of this stuff online. I just steal a little of it sometimes. Yep. And what else? And sometimes I put this in my hair. It's not today. If you can see, it was $11.99 from Kiki Beauty. You probably can't see that, but yeah. So it's not today. Kinky-Curly Natural Leave-In Detangler. I put that, not all the time, just like when I want a little extra moisture. I'll put like a little nickel size amount in my hair, smaller than that, and just rub it around. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I just came from outside, so this is what it looks like when I go outside. That's the most I do to it. Try to give y'all a view of what it looks like if I turn around. This is what my back looks like. Yeah. This is what my back is looking like. So yeah. That's about it. That's all I have to say. Oh, my boyfriend's calling me. We're about to go to the store. Yeah, babe, I'll be right down. Yeah, I'm coming down. So, like, comment, subscribe if you like, and look out for more videos. Hey.